My name is Melissa Mohr, and I have been with Superior Plumbing Services in Kennesaw, Georgia for 16 years this year. We ended up naming her Piper. She is just another member of the team. Even the plumbers have gotten to where they refer to her in the first person. Oh, Piper took my call. She did a good job today. Prior to Piper, we manned our phones from about 6:30 in the morning until 9 p.m. You have to err on the side of being overstaffed merely to just make sure that you have the manpower on the bookends of the day. There's never a scenario where that customer has the opportunity to dial somebody else if Piper can't answer the question. It means that just goes directly to someone who can. Having that adaptable capacity integration was really important for us. Just because I have an appointment available doesn't mean I have the person with the appropriate skill available. Historically, we would have asked them to stay for the full business hours. For the very first time in 30 plus years, Piper was our holiday CSR. I did not have to have a CSR work for Thanksgiving or Christmas. It's allowed us to utilize talent inside. One of my CSRs, she said, "Oh yeah, I forgot, Piper's backing me up." It's given some of my CSRs the opportunity to grow into other areas of the company. Piper can take 5 phone calls at a time. I can take one. She really is killing it.